where the only sound is roaring engines and screaming chainsaws. We're not just cutting wood, we're fighting a battle with every massive tree. Blood, sweat, and sawdust. Welcome to the world of chainsaws. Welcome to the world of Wood Channel. A massive tree stands tall in the forest. The worker approaches, gripping the chainsaw firmly. With just a few powerful cuts, the tree is brought down swiftly. The roar of the blade echoes through the woods. A sharp chainsaw roars in the worker's grip. Its piercing sound cuts through the still air, calm yet ominous, like a warning of what's about to come. In a matter of seconds, the blade plunges into the thick trunk, slicing through the grain with ruthless force. No struggle, no mercy, just one precise motion, and the massive tree begins to tremble before crashing to the ground. Like a storm ripping through the forest, sudden and undeniable. The chainsaw isn't just a tool, it's a symbol of power, precision, and dominance in the wild. On a tall tree, precariously balanced in the middle of the jungle, a worker wearing a hard hat stands on logs that are embedded deep into the trunk, balancing in midair. He uses a chainsaw to cut powerfully into the trunk, while the wind whistles through the canopy and sawdust flutters down. The sound of the chainsaw echoes as the tree falls, creating a wonderful and spectacular scene. On the top of a tall tree in the garden, a worker wears a sturdy safety harness and hangs in midair. He uses a chainsaw to cut the top of the tree. Sawdust falls into the cool green space. The push wedge is driven into the base of the tree like a silent weapon. Each forceful crank lifts the heavy trunk off the forest floor. The chainsaw roars, its sharp blade slicing through the timber with the ease of a hot knife through butter. Sawdust bursts into the air like smoke from every decisive strike. A slender, straight tree, like a wooden arrow, stands tall in the forest. In a flash, the sharp chainsaw approaches, slicing through the air with a fierce screech. The man behind the blade moves with calm precision, every motion deliberate and practiced. The tree begins to tremble, then falls gracefully, surrendering to human control. Without delay, he steps forward and swiftly trims away the small branches jutting from its sides. Each cut is crisp, clean, and efficient. The result, a smooth, straight log, neatly prepared, ready for the next stage of processing. In the forest, a tree trunk is burning. The worker puts on protective gear. He turns on the chainsaw. The blade screeches fiercely, cutting into the burning tree stump. Sawdust smokes, ash flies in the wind, urgent and decisive. The crane stretched its long, powerful arms through the foliage, holding the tree trunks with steel cables. Each large log was cut off and lifted gently, as if a deft steel arm were removing each giant puzzle piece in midair. At a vast timber yard, where giant logs lie like fallen titans, the chainsaw roars to life. Its razor-sharp blade bites into the largest log, each cut precise, powerful, without hesitation. In mere seconds. Crash! The giant falls, clean and swift. There's no room for mistakes. This is the... Just one careless moment, a kickback, a misjudged branch, and disaster strikes in a heartbeat.